My name is Halén, and some of you may know me as the singer of a band called Insania, and a band called Shadows Past, and my own project called Halén. This first video will be about what I really love, and that is a few days ago we finally got back to the track where I can raise my bike and challenge myself, my brain, to go faster and faster and faster. So let's take a moment and see a few laps how it goes. Just want to make a video about life. Finally, life is back, also here in Sweden, because we have sun about 3 days per year, but today it's sun. And finally, I'm back at my bike, my new bike. It's a Yamaha R6 2017 with a lot of bling bling, and I've just made a personal best lap today, and that's wonderful, with a new bike, and got a few more sessions to go. Let's see how it goes. But my as you maybe know, I crashed heavily last year, and it seems like my head is back on track, and well, this is what life is about. Of course, music is fun, but always challenge yourself with going fast. That is funny, okay? So I will show you a few laps now with my GoPro cameras, and let's see how it goes. So my thought was to push my brake point, but when I head for my front brake, my back wheel came up, and when it came down, I tried to use my foot brake and my back wheel started sliding. So I guess I went off. Hi guys, as you can see, it didn't quite work out when I raced my last session now. I crashed, I'm okay, the bike is okay. Finally, I've done the first crash and it, as I said, turned out okay. So now I will wash it and not go back today, but some other day. Take care, bye. I had to learn to